Alright, look what just came in the mail today. My new slip-on exhaust. M4GP. Alright. Let's open her up. Okay, so there's a box inside of another box. Here we go. That's my insert. Stage 2, I hope, because that's what I ordered. Nicely bubble wrapped. Good job on the packaging. Here it is. M4GP exhaust. And there's the baffle. So I paid extra for this stage 2 insert. Oh, that's awesome. So I can compare the two. That'll be like a later video or something. Alright, let's see how much this M4GP exhaust weighs. Okay. That's in grams. So here we go. $1,040 grams. 2.5, yeah, about 2.5 pounds. Okay, oh yeah, the stage 2 insert, it comes with the extra snap ring, so just in case you're wondering. Stage 2 insert for the M4GP exhaust slip-on, weighs about that much. 3.1 ounce.